How did you know I could do that? No one knows I can control lightning, and no one can find out.
Roz is the one lying to you. You're a ninja who disappeared after the merge.
I didn't rescue you so you could disappoint me, Jay. I do not tolerate failure.
I'm sorry, Lord Ross.
Sorry is not good enough.
We've told you what your life was like before the merge.
Yeah, so did the administration. So did Ross. I now know not to believe any of it. But I do know this. My first memories, I found myself alone in the land of madness. Didn't even know my name.
We might have won the match, but we lost Jay.
The merge left Jay Walker without his memory. Lost, alone,